tied to 3 ropes. A pole stands on the ground with the help of 3 ropes. The length of one of the ropes is 60 meters, and the angle made by that rope with the ground is 60 degrees. Also, the angles made by the other 2 ropes are 30 degrees and 45 degrees respectively. Find the height of the pole and lengths of other 2 ropes. Solution. Let the pole be represented by OD, such that O is the bottom and D is the top of the pole. Consider the 3 ropes to be AD, BD and CD. In the figure, AD represents first rope, and its length and inclination are given. Thus, AD is equal to 60 meters and angle DAO is 60 degrees. Similarly, the inclination of the other 2 ropes, BD and CD, are also given. Thus, angle DCO is equal to 30 degrees and angle DBO is equal to 45 degrees. In right-angled triangle AOD, AD and angle OAD are known. Applying the sine ratio, we can find the length of the pole OD. Once height of the pole is determined, the length of the other 2 ropes can be determined by applying the sine ratio in the respective right-angled triangles. First, let us find the height of the pole. Applying the sine trigonometric ratio in triangle AOD, sine angle DAO is equal to opposite side over hypotenuse equals OD over AD. Substituting the values, we get. Substituting the value of sine 60 degrees in the equation, we get root 3 over 2 equals OD over 60. Rearranging the terms, we get. Therefore, OD is equal to 51,96 meters. Now, let us find the length of the rope BD. Consider triangle BOD. Sine angle DBO is equal to opposite side over hypotenuse equals OD over BD. Substituting the values, we get sine 45 degrees equals 51,96 over BD. Substituting the value of sine 45 degrees in the equation, we get 1 over root 2 equals 51,96 over BD. Rearranging the terms, we get. Therefore, BD equals 73,48 meters. Now, let us find the length of rope CD. Applying the sine trigonometric ratio in triangle COD, sine angle DCO equals opposite side over hypotenuse equals OD over CD. Substituting the values, we get sine 30 degrees equals 51,96 over CD. Substituting the value of sine 30 degrees in the equation, we get 1 over 2 equals 51,96 over CD. Rearranging the terms, we get. Therefore, CD equals 103,92 meters.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.